Alright, this video is to show how easy it is to get the trade signal from BonChat and then make the trade in DSJ for the BG Wealth Sharing program. So Grandma Gail is going to click on the BonChat app, and then she's going to go to BD-015 Wealth Sharing. And then here she'll scroll down to the bottom by hitting that little green button. And there's your signal, okay? So you hold, copy, and paste Stephen Beard's signal. And now you close BonChat and you go to DSJ. It'll log you out if you have inactivity, so we're going to have to log back in, no problem. And from here, to make your trade, you're going to go down to Futures. And then right above Futures, you see Position Order, Historic Orders, you see Invited Me. Hit Invited Me. Okay. And then we're going to have to scroll down a little bit here below that chart so we can see. There we go. Okay. And that there is where you paste the code. And then you hit confirm to the right of the code. There you go, success. Your trade has been made. And you could also double check by going to position order. Two to the left. Alright, and now boom, it populates. You have a position order in place.
Pending.
Yep. And you could also look at historical orders if you want to see how much you've made each single trade. But basically, what we just did, we took the daily signal. There's 2 signals per day. We took it from BonChat, and then we pasted it into DSJ. And the magic of this is you have to make the trade yourself. And that's legalities. That's also, just so nobody's taking your money. You make the trade. You decide to make the trade. In 9 months, we have had 1 trade that didn't go through. So most of them go through. If they don't go through, you have a second trade. And there's even a third tier, but they have never gone to the third tier. They have always made it within 2 trades, so you get your money back right away. Now, if you're interested in signing up, see the link in the information, and that will give you a link to my referral page. And you could join up. I can tell you personally that I've made 400% in about 2.5 months of my initial investment. That's all for now. Bye-bye.